gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go right now. The ambulance is called. The fire department's truck is broke down. We got to go fix it. Alright guys, I just want you to know that the only time, I know I look rough, the only time I'll ever put you off on call is if the fire department or the ambulance service calls me from here in my community. In my community, they come first because they're all we got. They're small, and I'll go to whatever means necessary to help them. The brush truck was down. The little engine that runs their pump would not crank, and got up there and did some diagnostic work on it and found out that that solenoid was out, and I had to go out of town. Might as well say it was a 40-mile round trip. I had to go and pick up a single post solenoid, but these guys, their brush truck is running now, and without a doubt they're probably gonna have to use it before the week's over. It's sad, but it's been so dry. We got a good rain here in town day before yesterday, but they definitely gonna need that truck. And we got them fixed up though. The fire department can go woo, 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 woo. Well guys, I gotta go back and get on these carburetors. I got 3-pack of carburetors that's been soaking at the house. I got to go finish them up, get them put together, and get them installed on this Polaris SL 900. And guys, reach up there and hit the like button and subscribe, because you know, just because. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a good day.